Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the isDone.dll file error is missing on your Windows 11 computer. This tutorial will apply for Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10 computers as well. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser of your choice, and you want to go search for unarc.dll download. Go ahead and search for that. One of the best results should be a dll/files.com. Go ahead and open that up. And you want to go ahead and just scroll down a little bit on this page and select the download option. Give it a moment to begin downloading here. And once it's done downloading, go ahead and open it up in Show in Folder. You can close out the web browser this time. Double click on the folder and then drag the DLL file over to your desktop. Now in the same File Explorer window we're in right here, you can also open it up through the search menu if you closed out of this or you didn't have it open to begin with. But anyway, we're going to select this PC on the left side. Double click on your drive where Windows is installed. So go ahead and double click on that. Do the same thing now for the Windows folder. And then go down to System 32. And you want to go ahead and open that up. You want to go drop this DLL file on our desktop, just drop it into this folder. And select Continue. And then once you're done with that, you will need to close out of here and restart your device. So there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.